Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to set up bank account on crypto.com. Firstly, use your crypto.com mobile app or the website to log in to your account. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the app and select Fiat Wallet to access the withdrawal page. For first-time withdrawals, you need to set up a Fiat Wallet. Tap Set up New Currency, enter your residential address, bank details and postal code. This will link your bank account to crypto.com. Once your Fiat Wallet is set up, now you can use that bank account to deposit, withdraw money on your crypto.com account. Make sure your bank details are accurate to avoid transaction issues, and some withdrawals may require verification for security reasons. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.